Alright, so we're at the Darlington Provincial Park, and apparently there are pelicans here, so that is the one and only mission of the day. It's so quiet. This is awesome. Oh, those are pretty. I see what. Oh, this is the trail we want to be on. We're about to see out into the water where on the maps I saw pelicans. Oh, okay, so this is the beach. Oh, they're all out on that tree over there. There's tons of them. Well, we did miss pelican season by 1 month from what I could see. On the app, it said it's still possible to see them, but the most common time was last month. Probably during some kind of like migration season. Oh yeah, it is very pretty out here, isn't it? Oh, are you all normal seagulls? Yes, you are. You're kind of cool though, so we'll take a picture of you. And get low, because that's way nicer. Alright, that's kind of a cool seagull photo at least.
Coming here with the boat.
Yeah. Yeah, that might be a cool photo because of how blue it is. Kind of cool. Yeah, I see them, but I didn't. Oh, who's that? Heron. Having some major focusing problems. Okay, here's where I wanted. There's a big opening to the other side, the bay, where I feel like we would have seen more animals. Just want to practice some in-flight shots. I got way ahead of them. Oh, great blue heron. I missed them. Oh, these turns are close. Were. Let's get down to eye level right here and get a couple of the turns on the beach. I'm not really sure what the plan is right now. I think I'm just about halfway to the big Trestle bridge, which is a really cool location. I just don't know if I really want to bike out that far and then have the entire bike back. I don't know. I also keep thinking how cool it would be to bike out to the big Trestle bridge with a drone. That'd mean I'd have to buy a drone. So yeah, not really sure what I'm doing right now. Just kind of biking along, hoping to see some wildlife. If I find a good spot that I like, then maybe I'm seeing a bunch of birds. I would like to try to do some birds in flight photos. Nothing overly exciting happening yet. But this is a pretty cool area to be biking through, up above all the trees. I came very unprepared. Now my GoPro's dead. I only came out with like 50% battery. And anyways, as I was saying on my GoPro, I greatly underestimated how much further I have to go before I actually get to the Trestle Bridge. And this has been a 10-kilometer bike ride so far, which I used to do about 10 daily last summer. And then my big one, like this ride, would usually be like 25K once it's done. Anyways, 25K is just gonna feel like a lot since I haven't really done that at all this summer. All right, this is the last road I have to cross. I actually made it. It really sucks my GoPro's dead, but we are here. And in a minute, you'll see why I think it'd be such a cool idea to bring a drone out here. I'm gonna go down there, see what kind of wildlife we can find. I hear lots of birds. A little adventure down here. Oh, my legs are so jello-y. Really hope I can climb up this again. I might not be able to if I go down this. Oh, there's trails all through here. I don't want to go far and leave the bike behind. Quick snack break. A vulture was just flying by out there, so I was able to attempt a few in-flight shots. Nothing too crazy. Really far away. Alright, I'm done with that. I haven't really seen a lot of like bigger birds flying around, so no birds of prey. And then all the little birds are pretty far away, and it's really hot out, so there's a lot of heat waves and battling in the air. And honestly, I'm gonna give up. It's not worth it. Pretty cool spot though, and maybe I'll make a future video here with a drone or something. Pulled over here to do some to practice some birds in flight photos. We had a couple. This is one of them. There were two of them. There were two vultures flying around out here, so I got some pretty close-ups. I'll have a look at them when I get home. I think they turned out pretty good, so I'll kind of review my settings and whatnot, and we'll see how well I did with birds in flight. I haven't tried it too many times before. All right, vultures in flight photos done. Moving on. I'm at 21 kilometers. So I don't know, at least another 10 to go. Maybe 9. Let's go with 9. Another 9 kilometers to go, and I'll finally be home. Surprising, I'm starting to hit my second wind. I was getting really tired, starting to not really want to film anymore. But I've got another boost of energy here, so we'll see how far it takes me. All right. So I stopped, pulled over my bike, and just waiting to see if this osprey out on the tree is going to take off at all. Those would be some cool in-flight photos, but we'll see. All right, my patience paid off for standing in the blistering sun. Absolutely dying. That was my only piece of shade over there. Anyways, the osprey finally took off, and I managed to get a few in-flight photos, so I don't know, they look okay. I don't think they're overly impressive, but we'll have a look at them when I get home. to say I don't have a grilled granola bar to eat. A little squishy.